In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an SEO article with AI from start to finish. The process begins before you write a single sentence. First, research a primary keyword for the article. This is the main term you want the content to rank for. So choose something relevant to your topic, realistic for your website, and valuable to your audience. Once you have that keyword, take time to understand its search intent. In other words, figure out what people actually want when they type that phrase into Google. Look at the current search results, notice the types of articles already ranking, and identify the questions readers clearly want answered. Next, open ChatGPT and give it a structured SEO master prompt. The more direction you provide, the better the output will usually be. Make sure your prompt includes the target keyword, who the article is for, the purpose of the content, the tone you want, and the desired word count. This helps the model create something more aligned with your goals instead of producing a vague draft. Before asking for the full article, request a detailed outline first. This step saves time and gives you a chance to shape the article structure early. Review the outline carefully and add any missing sections that should be included. If something important is absent, now is the moment to fix it. Once the outline looks solid, generate the full article using that approved structure. After the first draft is created, do not assume it is ready to publish. Read through it and check for depth, structure, repetition, and weak explanations. It can sometimes sound polished while still being shallow, so pay close attention to whether the content is actually useful. Then give ChatGPT clear, specific feedback and ask for an improved version. The key here is specificity. If an explanation feels thin, say exactly which section needs more detail. If the introduction is weak or the examples are generic, point that out directly. After that, test a separately optimized prompt in Claude so you can compare results. Review both drafts side by side and keep the strongest sections from each. This often leads to a better final piece than relying on just one tool. Before publishing, verify factual claims using reliable sources. Then strengthen the article by adding original examples, real experience, images, and internal links. These elements make the content more trustworthy and more useful. Finally, edit the article so it does not sound generic or automated, then format and publish the completed SEO article. That is the full workflow.